Hey everyone, it's Antisar from the Heartbreak Academy here with another video. And right now, you might be feeling lost, broken, and questioning your worth because breakups shake our foundation. You may be asking yourself, was I not good enough? And will I ever feel lovable and confident again? Let me tell you something, your worth was never tied to that relationship. Let me say that again. Your worth was never tied to that relationship. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why your self-worth is so low at the moment and how to fix it. Starting today. When you go through a breakup or divorce, it's not just about losing the person, it's about losing an identity, a future you envisioned with them, maybe even a sense of security. Your brain goes into rejection mode. Rejection activates the same part of the brain as physical pain. That's why it feels like your heart is literally breaking. On top of that, your self-worth takes a hit because you may have tied it to how your partner treated you. Maybe they stopped showing up for you. Maybe they walked away without any explanation. And maybe they even betrayed you. And now your subconscious mind is whispering all these negative thoughts. Maybe I wasn't good enough. Maybe I'm hard to love. Maybe I'll never find love again. But here's the truth. Your worth never changed. It was always there. The only thing that changed was your belief about it. So how do we fix this? So how do we go from feeling lost and broken to feeling like the unstoppable, lovable, magnetic person that is you? It starts with how you talk to yourself. Let me repeat that. It starts with how you talk to yourself. If you are constantly saying, I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, no one's gonna love me anymore, I'm unworthy, then guess what? Your brain is going to believe that. Your mind is going to believe that, and your actions will follow. And that's why affirmations are so powerful. You consciously rewire your thoughts, you train your brain to accept a new reality. If you're serious about boosting your self-worth and shifting your mindset, I have something special for you. I have created the self-worth reset. And it's an audio workshop. You can listen to it wherever, whenever, and as many times as you like. And it will help you with feeling better about yourself and install new beliefs about yourself that make you feel powerful, lovable, and enough. It also comes with a workbook, with exercises, you can journal, and some extra bonuses like a guided meditation. And the self-love affirmations. But if you're not ready for the full experience yet, then you can download the self-affirmations for free. I will leave the link in the description box. Your healing starts the moment you decide to reset your self-worth. And remember, you are worthy, you are enough, and you deserve love, starting with yourself. I'll see you in the next video.